Boo, guys. It's Blaze. I went to Walmart the other day with Mama Blaze. You'll see that in a vlog. And I decided, I was like, because all spooky season long, I went into Dollar Tree to see if they had any kind of costumes that I can do what I did last year. Can I make this $1 costume work? I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen it. I had like nothing there to work with. Nothing. So I was like, Walmart, my boo. Well, they didn't have a $1 costume that I can do to make work. They did have a it's $5.98, so it's $6. It's not $5, and I paid, I think 98 cents for this separately. But we're just gonna call this a $5 costume. Can we make this $5 costume work? $7 doesn't sound as cute. Yeah, we are doing a devil this year. Last year we did a black cat. This is the remains of one of my victims, the souls that are sucked down to hell. My base makeup just to save some time. So let's get started. We're going to take the Italia lip liner in rich red right here, and we're gonna go for it. I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. I don't have any red eyeshadow, so I kind of have to work with what I have to make it shadowy. Let's go. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, I kind of did the same on both sides, which I'm never able to do. So you know what? I'm not gonna line this. I'm gonna get a lippy sticky. So this is from Sue Cheyenne. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's from Amazon. I got this forever ago, and it's like a bright red lipstick. So I'm going to get an eyeshadow brush and use this for eyeshadow on my lid. So from MCO Beauty, this is just their eyeshadow brush. Really cute and basic. So me, no, I'm anything but basic, trust me, bish. See if we can make this work. Kinda. We're gonna have to definitely be careful and blend out what we can. I think that looks actually pretty sick for, you know, my level of ability to do makeup. So again, with the Italia lip liners, I'm using Black Currant because this looks like a deep red burgundy. And I'm going to line my eyebrow nubs with it. Ooh, that looks cool. Sick. There's my really bad eyebrow nubs. They're bad because the shape I have them in. I gotta stop shaving them, but it's easier to live with. I use a regular e.l.f. black satin liner and do like a little devil mustache. That looks terrible. Okay, well, I just like have a handlebar mustache right now, so I'm from the 1920s. A little bit more red, and it's gonna be a little bit more brown and pink. I'm gonna blend the blushes from this Bold as Love palette. Oh, we love our Jimi Hendrix. So we're gonna blend all Berries, Soul, and Flower Child. We're gonna blend them all. Dip into each of them. I want more soul than anything. I just got it, Souls, Devil. So we're not really doing contour or anything. We're just kind of adding more color to the face and using a contour technique, you know? I'm gonna do a little pentagram here, or attempt to. Oh, I am so not good at doing this on the skin. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Sick. I'm gonna take my Fred. Who's Fred? Girl. I take my favorite red lipstick, which is the Megalast Liquid Catsup Liquid Lip in Missy and Fierce by Wet n Wild, and we're gonna do my lips. some mascara with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. I was gonna do falsies, but I don't want it to cover up so much of the red quote-unquote eyeshadow that we did. I don't want that to happen. So we're just using mascara. Cute, I think we're done with the makeup. Now we just got to get our accessories. The only thing I'm not going to do is the tail. I don't feel like showing my butt on film. So on camera, on film. What, girl, what? Let's get this bow on. Oh! Freaking won't, oh wait, no, it's Velcro. Okay. Girl, I thought I had broken it. I was like, why is this so tight? But it's for you to Velcro. Oh my God, I thought I just broke it. I was devastated for like 0.8 seconds or 1.8 seconds, something like that. I don't know, I can't count. That's actually super cute. I like that. We got the horns going on. Hornage. You guys feeling horny? I got my little devil's pitchfork. Here we go, guys. We made a $5 costume work for me. Let's work. I like this look. I don't like the mustache, but everything else came out way better than I thought it would. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please go down below, smash that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right now. Become a Blazer and a part of the Blaze Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. Next time you guys are gonna see me dress up is when I'm doing my Halloween costume, which of course is Edgar Allan Poe related. Obvi. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a spooky October and having lots of wicked fun. Until next time, my devilish ones. Stay wicked.